my son Josh and I are going to hike up to Lake Serene. Neither one of us have never been up there. And we might add in the Wallace Falls out and back as well. Since we just had daylight savings change, we'll just kind of take it as it goes and see where we're at with our daylight. We brought extra headlamps. We've got our navigation downloaded from Gaia with an extra battery pack, first aid kit, emergency blanket. We chose this hike because it is lower in elevation. You know, winter is definitely set in the Pacific Northwest. We also have some other family members here. Sandra and Matt, they're up ahead. Up to Bridal Falls, and if we stay to the left, we'll go to Lake Serene. We're going to head up to the falls first and then check out our time frame. It's really rocky, so we're going to get our poles and we're going to get some elevation here.
No one can ever tell.